Welcome to Sweet Sorcery. Today we'll be making chocolate mousse. Now chocolate mousse is a lot easier to make than you may think. It only takes about 15 minutes and this recipe serves 2 people. You can find the written recipe on our website sweet-sorcery.com. There is a link in the description box below. Gather together your ingredients so you can follow along with me. Whip the cream until soft peaks form. Make sure your cream and bowl are chilled. Whipped cream is easier and faster to achieve when both the cream and the bowl are nice and cold. What you're looking for is the top of the peak to fold over like this. Set the cream aside and separate your eggs. Put the egg whites into a large bowl and with clean beaters whip them until soft peaks form. Again, what we're looking for here is the top of the peak to fold over like this. Next we want to melt our chocolate in a double boiler. I've already boiled the kettle, so I'll fill my saucepan about a third of the way up. You want to make sure that the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. Keep the water at a low simmer and leave the chocolate to melt for a minute or two. Once melted through, take the chocolate off the heat and set it aside for a minute to cool. With a fork, whisk your egg yolks. Then add the egg yolks a little at a time to the chocolate and whisk quickly. Next, add the whipped cream to the chocolate and with a whisk, gently fold it through until it's just combined. Add half the egg whites, folding through gently. We want to try and keep all the air that we've whipped into them. Add the rest of the egg whites and then fold through gently until just combined. Scoop the mixture evenly into the 2 serving bowls and then let them set in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Mousse is best served straight away once set, but can be stored up to 2 days in the fridge. When you're ready to serve, decorate them with some whipped cream, a fresh strawberry, and a bit of grated chocolate. So how'd you do? Why not share your magical creations with the community using the links in the description box, or leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.